Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Google Play Store something gone wrong problem solve. What causes something gone wrong problem? Please try again. Error in the Google Play Store. The most common reason as to why you face this error could be because of your Google account. Here is the sign in with multiple accounts and one of those is causing the error. The Play Store error is also caused due to the data storage and cache issue on your Android device. We have detailed the step to clear the Play Store cache in the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Then find Google Play Store. Click Google Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. If you are a Wi-Fi user, then turn off your phone Wi-Fi once. Then turn on Wi-Fi again. If you are a data user, turn off the phone data connection once. Restart your phone once. Then open Google Play Store. Search for any of the apps and see if the problem appears. Hope your problem will be solved. If there is any problem, then please comment. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.